I finally got it working, y'all. Got Revenue Cat working, and it unlocks the features. So when you are subscribed, you will get unlimited pins, and you will be able to create unlimited groups. That is now working here. I just switched to a different screen. Hopefully, you can see it. But it was not. I mean, I got a lot of help with the AIs because I never done it before. And imagine if it was 2019 before all these like AI models. Like it would have took me so long to figure it out, but I would have figured it out. But I figured it out with an AI that writes pretty decent code. But for sure, like I have to go in there and like point things out and be like, "Yo, that's not how. I don't think you should do it." And you have to give it context and stuff like that. So when all this fear about AI, nah, programmers are definitely still the drivers for everything. But man, they help you so much. So yeah, I'm just excited I got this working. And like and it's not done yet. Like this is just for the Revenue Cat hackathon. There's still a lot that has to be done to like make the 7.99 a month worth it. The reason why it's 7.99 is because Google Places API cost, and I actually removed the option. This build, I didn't hit the play button, but you can't purchase more pins. I was like, I'm not gonna do that. Just you get unlimited or you don't. Like, give me $8 if you want it. But it's gonna be so dope. Like, I got some ideas. I removed the plus sign because I'm gonna have manually entered restaurants placed somewhere else. And the UI I have planned for this thing. It's gonna look so freaking clean. It's gonna look so dope. Like you'll still see this, but it'll look great, and it's gonna look good on light mode. Like I'm really proud of what I got here. It's looking really good, and once it has the things I hope to get to where this thing needs to be by the end of the year, I'm definitely gonna be making the money that you see right here on this sandbox data right now. So yeah, right now it works. I'm just trying to figure out how to cancel the subscription. Like there should be a way to like interrupt the subscription. And you do that. I'm not going to click here because you'll see some stuff. But on the App Store Connect, like you can have like a sandbox account, whatever. And I'm trying to interrupt it, but it's not working. So I just ended up just making another user account and signing in and verifying that you can't get more than 25 pins or create more than 3 groups unless you subscribe. And when you do subscribe, it unlocks like the unlimited. And then figuring out how to use Firestore, Firebase with that. But it's pretty simple. But it's not that bad. I'm gonna definitely once I submit this, hopefully get it through the App Store. I'm gonna like go back to all my code and understand the whole code base, learn it from scratch. I'm gonna like relearn Swift and Swift UI again. I got like a bunch of stuff that I used to learn, and I'm gonna like hit the fundamentals again. So yeah, that's the update. That's what I got going right now. I'm just so happy. Now the next challenge is there's some things I gotta polish up, to make sure it's like good for the App Store for release. And then it's just going back and forth with Apple. But I've launched a few apps on my first try, going through the App Store review. So I don't think who knows, this will be the first time I submit an app with in-app purchases or subscription. So we'll see what happens. But I'm pretty confident. Was there something else I want to share? Yeah, so when it does go live for the hackathon, for the ship a ton Revenue Cat thing, it's going to be a very quiet launch. I actually don't want people I shouldn't be saying this, like I want people using it, but it's going to be kind of nerve-wracking to actually have real people using your product and you're working on it. So now I'm like working on the main branch, but now I'm going to be like creating different branches, and now I got to test things. I got to really know this code base. I have to make sure the things I ship work, because it's not like the web where you can fix something and ship it out real hella quick. Like it has to get reviewed by Apple. So if I ship a bug, well, users are going to have to deal with that bug until I fix it and I get reviewed again. So one of the cons of the App Store. Damn, this music's pretty loud. I love this song. It's perfect. So yeah, that's what I got, y'all. Yeah, this is actually perfect to end the video with. Alright. It's a good song. Alright, that's all I got for y'all. And I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be over the weekend when I submit this thing. Alright. Let's get this Wi-Fi money.